Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, wash and dry the apple, then slice or core it straight away to limit exposed flesh. Once cut, mix 2 cups of water with 1 tablespoon lemon juice. This mild acid slows browning by lowering pH. Submerge the pieces for 1 to 2 minutes so the acid can act on enzymes. Make sure to drain and pat dry briefly. This prepares the fruit for the next protective step and keeps texture intact. Once done with the lemon soak, rinse the apple pieces quickly to remove excess acid, and then choose a protective dip, a salt solution or a honey solution. For salt, use 1/2 teaspoon in 1 cup water and dip for 1 to 2 minutes. It inhibits enzymes without tasting salty if rinsed afterward. For a natural option, dissolve 1 tablespoon honey in 1 cup water. Honey contains compounds that slow browning. Make sure to drain well before storing. You finish by drying the slices and packing them airtight to minimize oxygen contact. Oxygen is the enemy of fresh-looking apples. Refrigerate at cold temperatures, about 0 to 4 degrees C, and use within 24 to 48 hours for peak color and texture. If you still see brown spots, don't panic. Redip briefly in the lemon or honey solution to slow further darkening. If taste is off, rinse and use them in cooked recipes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.